abahagiza batahirira ofisi ya RDC wa Hoima erukushangwa Kitoba n'aba Beatrice Wembabazi binjo barukumanywa nkati cyamame aba baba nibenda batunje kushoborokerwa umuringo go businguzi bwa candidate wabo bwahindukiremu bukahebwo munyishenjero kazi highlight businge urukumanywa nka baby face nuko kwata madirisa ga ofisi ya RDC. Beatrice Wembabazi owabari n'abahagizi be nagira ngo arukutware byo kuteza karuru akamarangira nko musinguzi n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 998 highlight businge ayino bururo mutwaro gumwe 988 na Suzana Simwe ayino bururo mutwaro gumwe 225 bitungwa katangara omubwire buke okurira ngo barangira businge n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 998
omuramukimbanyira Chamami tasaposi kwa mwenarem muhandike mungamba wewe chamami tasaposi kwa mwenarem kunira wakuzapake emitwaro kumuna kenda plus aba bantu tabasanza bakaja bakasimba kusimba laini katalika ruka ballot
ninyowe asimo Suzani aboli mama hoyo akubaire nindwanagara na Wembabazi Beatrice okandito tubaire muresa aba babiri hato wakasatogwa izire kutaha makarura kahirege nkaha tumobilizingire hansi na haiguru timanyire beserekere nkaha joint campaign akazanga hagopata ina kyokugambira abantu tobere na pate kugarura pate mu mwanya.
We are also human beings. We want our vote genuinely. I have looked for this vote for years. I've placed in everything that I have to make sure that I win this vote, and the people loves me. They love me. They have also put in their energy. They have put in money. So people are annoyed.
Aba RDC yarengereho kubemereza nuko kuterera Dr. Tanga Odoi nawe nuko kubetera urukiko Kampala ngo baze kwetonganaho.
We are coming. These DL forms have even serial numbers. They should be marked. Honorable Businge cannot be here. She's a thief. Maybe she could be in other lodges.
Yes. And we wanted even that Michael Chakashari also to take
Kuteka Joseph as the one who has brought problems.
Respect my office.
Na wekyo bikirege obwire bokuranga bantipinga bagamba electronic declarations irenye vuga yagenda kandi obukireyo nyesanga gari manano umugenzi wangu Rebo Pius nibaruka kuburanga na hiyo naruko kweyo results ze hatari alibegeni batangira na nyenya basabanya bagamba nanya mupereze a copy ya results zange bagimpereza kusukura nindura singire
omubanda barangirirwe harimo Amulani Tumusime obiro singire ebendera ya Bugahwa n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 939 mutahiwe Pius wa kabi n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 980 bitwa kagumana hindura yahendera rangirire Pius wa kabi n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 1512
bakwasire migu abantu bakutana kutera mabale ariko yari nyinyirira ubumizi wange umuntu mukuru bavura batanu nguru ngo wewe kamera gakora ikintu leta sinzire kwa
kama muno okiragiro kya government kuragira twaro maiso engeso nungi good cultural practices hatali endi na wekyo icyo kubatangira kurango kuyija tuli tukwatamize hamwe
habwe bintu bine bi registra kozire na timu yaye aba data entrance ka security committee tuchiremu bakwatibwe era hati police etandikire process yo kubaserura bakwija kwatibwa niko bagenda ha police baserurizibweho
obwa hati bona bategeriza ncwa mu ya Dr. Tanga Odoi gasha kwa Ambrose Nwaga bakatoto umuruhoyima.